I love you too, Mommy. Come give me loves and say it again. Wow. Happy Valentine's Day, baby girl. Go see what you got.
What's this? What's this, Mommy?
I don't know. Look at it.
See what's inside here. Happy Valentine's Day to my baby. I hope you had a great day. I love you.
From who's that from?
Mama.
No.
Tammy.
Let's see. Open it. It's from Gram.
Granny.
Yeah. Did you see what she got you?
Yeah.
Some new shades.
What's this?
I don't know. Did you read it?
Mickey Mouse. Yeah. What's this? It won't come out. Cotton candy.
Cotton candy? You don't like cotton candy, do you?
Yeah.
Try it on.
Okay.
Ooh, let me see. You're so sparkly. Oh, silly. There it is. There's my beautiful girl. A bouquet of heart suckers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's this?
They're candy hearts. They're Valentine's Day candies. You finally got one? You've wanted one of those for a long time, huh, Booger?
Ow.
You should see what Mommy did with Daisy with that.
What?
I'll show you in a minute. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, happy Valentine's Day, baby.
Happy Valentine's Day, Mommy.
I love you.
I love you.